Many a time we decide to forget ourselves. And when you speak Igbo language in secondary school, your name is being penned down as speaking vernacular. This government will definitely abolish that language for the children within the formative age. This is quite encouraging and in tandem with the educational developmental policy of the state government. Igbo is a language spoken by an ethnic group found within the regions of southeastern states in Nigeria by over 44 million people and is one of the official languages in Nigeria outside Hausa and Yoruba. It is said to have been founded around the 9th century AD and is spoken in the southern delta of Abia, Anambra, Ebonyi, Enugu, and Imo states, as well as the northern east part of Delta State and the southeast part of Rivers State. As the main language for trade and commerce in the 5 eastern states and purposely taught at all levels in the schools, it should be sustained and developed. It is, however, unfortunate that it has been overtaken by the English language, thereby confirming a prediction of its extinction in a short while. Many a time we decide to forget ourselves. And when you speak Igbo language in secondary school, your name is being penned down as speaking vernacular. This government will definitely abolish that. Many a time we decide to forget ourselves. And when you speak Igbo language in secondary school, your name is being penned down as speaking vernacular. This government will definitely abolish that. English is a borrowed language, and for you being able to have a good command of English language is not a measure for intelligence. Go and ask the Chinese. The effort of all organizations towards the revitalization and revival of Igbo language is commendable, including, of course, the Catholic Diocese of Aba. On the other hand, it is unpatriotic attitudes of some Igbo parents and guardians who do not like to use the language productively but prefers to use the English language at home that has made us to lose the prestige and flavor in our Igbo language. Therefore, there is therefore an urgent need for attitudinal change towards the language by our young people who happens to be sitting here today listening to me, and also those born outside the Igbo-speaking states and diaspora. The promoters of Igbo language must pay extensive attention and prioritize the introduction of new words and expressions into the Igbo language, as well as Igboization of the English and other foreign words, which Igbo does not have an equivalent. An Igbo language must be willing to accept and accommodate useful changes so that its incompleteness can be holistically addressed. Therefore, Igbo language must be subjected to linguistics engineering and standardization, like others, to meet the needs of its users, like Hausa and Yoruba. Why am I saying this? It's because I run a haulage company, and those heavy-duty machines, most of them are managed by the Hausas. And you see the way they speak their Hausa language, explaining to another Hausa boy that they are trying to train. And I must tell you, they are very good at that art. Many of them don't have a very good command of English language, but they introduce their language to them, and they end up becoming very good mechanics. Finally, the need for the reintroduction of Igbo language in the WAEC and NECO syllabus should be given a priority by the Southeastern governors while making it compulsory at all levels of education. Thank you, and may God bless you all for having me here. I want to use this opportunity to also thank our Lord Bishop here for leading at the front. Many people will be very reluctant to champion this very cause, but I must say, may God bless you and give you the good health to continue guiding us as you have always done. Thank you.